Hey everyone, what's up? I got another new box. Pro Wrestling Creat. They had this on sale a few weeks ago. They're just trying to get rid of some of their overstock. So I bought a new box with a whole bunch of stuff in it. I'm gonna open up, see what it is, where it goes. If you see anything you like in these boxes or anything on these videos, check out my eBay store. Alright guys, comments, questions, leave it. I'll try to get back to everybody. Like the video, share the video, and I am still pretty much screwed. But, all right, let's open up this box. Ow. I had 2 tears in my rotator cuff and a tear in my bicep. Got the operation this past Thursday. Oh my God, there's a lot of tape on this. There we go. Oh. It's not taking me longer than usual with only one arm. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what we got first. Alright, I don't see any cheat sheet. So let's pick something out, and we have a pair of socks. Das mean Don Hassan from AEW. Pair of socks. Who's this? Oh, Conan wrestling figure. What's on the bottom? And a sticker. I have no idea who these guys are. But the stickers I usually keep, put them on the car. I know it's going crazy, but I think it's kind of funny. Oh, a pizza cutter. A pin. D'Lo Brown. The head moves back and forth. Taz keyring. Another pin. I can't think of his name. Gangrel. Another Dude Love. Have mercy. It's another sticker. That goes right on my car. This one. Sticker. I don't know. Next item. Another sticker. The Hitman. Bret Hart. Another sticker. NJ City, Siggy. I have no idea. Another sticker, Demolition. The Big Leagues of Wrestling. Tag team matches. We have the Briscoe pins. Briscoe Brothers. Nasty Boys. The Honky Tonk Man. He moves too somehow. Brutus the Bobby Beefcake little. See what's in there. I think it's like toenail clippers and a little knife. Alright, there you go. scissors, toenail clippers, tweezers, a whole bunch of stuff. Pretty decent. Brutus the Bob Beefcake. We have 3 stickers. Lucha Brothers. We have a pin. I know, a mirror. I think he's Fandango. Another. Alright, we have Murder, Death, Kringle, Tales from the Road, Wrestling Magazine, book, comic book. Tales from the Road, Booker T, Kingston, Hills, and Pascal. And this one is Jerry the King Laura. Laura, Kingston, Hills, and Gorman. Tales from the Road presents The Loop. Again, everything you see here, except for the stickers, will be on my eBay store. Lucha Libre, comic book. We got the Brawler Balls, Lucha Brothers. The British Bulldog pin. What I paid for this box wasn't worth it. I didn't get no shirts at all. The King, I don't know. We have our posters. Different posters of wrestling matches. I don't think I'm going to be able to open it up with my hand. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not happy with this box at all. That's it. I thought it said it was going to have autographs and a couple of shirts. We never bought it. Alright, that's it for that. I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to see if I can put up a box of Amazon returns tomorrow. Depends how if I can get the box out here or not. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.